This tips and tricks video will demonstrate a quick and simple method to correctly assemble the SK external fixation clamp. The first step requires selection of two mating clamp body halves. This simply means choosing one clamp body with two clear holes and another clamp body that contains one clear hole and one threaded hole. The two clamp halves, clear and threaded, are placed together to form the rod gripping channel. At this point, the most important aspect is to use only the secondary bolt to hold the two clamp halves together. Always begin assembly with the shorter secondary bolt by placing it through a clear half and then screwing it into the threaded hole of the opposite clamp body half. There is no other way to hold two SK clamp halves together with the secondary bolt. Once the clamp halves are secured with the secondary bolt, the next step is to place the threaded portion of the primary pin gripping bolt through both clamp body halves. Always place this bolt so that the heads of the primary and secondary bolts are on opposite sides of the clamp assembly. A hex nut is then applied to the threaded end of the primary bolt to maintain its position as part of the overall assembly. To achieve proper assembly each and every time, remember to always start assembly with the secondary bolt. This will prevent the most common error of initially using the primary pin gripping bolt and hex nut for securing the clamp halves.